Hey everyone, it's Dave. Today I'm going to install this leather steering wheel cover that I purchased off Amazon. I'll stick a link in the description. It's a pretty inexpensive upgrade to this very tired old steering wheel. I'll show you what it takes to get it installed. You're watching Dave's Auto DIY. So all you get in the package is this leather perforated steering wheel cover, and you get 2 sets of thread with needles. No instructions at all. There's a few instructions on the Amazon link, but they are abysmal. This is a 15-inch steering wheel cover. Before I ordered it, I measured the steering wheel. This steering wheel is about 15 inches in this Kia Sorento. I don't know how it got so tattered. Whoever owned this car before me just chewed up this steering wheel. It's like they had a beaver or something in this car. We're gonna make it look brand new with this leather steering wheel cover. It's tight to get it over top. You just have to sort of stretch it into place. And there's a seam in it. I'm gonna put the seam at the very bottom so there's some symmetry to it. So I've got the piece of string tied to the needle just so it doesn't come out on me. And I'm going to tie it to the inside. There's this thread that goes all the way around the inside and outside edge. I'm going to put a little knot on the inside so it's hidden in behind here. And that'll be my starting point. I'm just going to tie a knot in that. And I can cut off the excess later. So then you just go back and forth, looping it through these stitches that are on the front and back side of the steering wheel cover, and pull it tight as you go, and you see you get a little pattern going. And keep going. This is going to take a while. You just keep going back and forth. Okay, so when you get to one of the spokes on the steering wheel, I came around about this far on the bottom, went around the back, so I have the extra thread on the back of the steering wheel so we don't see it, looped it through on the other side, and I'll pick it up again, maybe on this one, and pull it as tight as I can around the steering wheel. And my camera person is standing on the thread. There we go. That's the tip. Don't have your camera person standing on the thread. So then when you pull it tight, it'll look decent enough around the spoke here. And we'll just keep going through the stitches all the way around, pulling tight as we go. Okay, it took some patience. Probably took at least an hour to do all the stitching, get it all around. The thread got tangled many times, so I had to take it off the needle probably 20 times to get rid of some tangles. But I got all the way back to the starting point. I tied a few knots around itself, and I'm going to cut off the slack with a knife. It's a wax string, and I wasn't sure if the knot would stay done up well, so I applied a little dab of crazy glue to the knot to hold it tight. It feels good. Looks a lot better than it did. It feels nice. The leather is soft. It's perforated leather. The steering wheel is the one thing in your car that you're touching all the time. So I think it makes sense to spend a few dollars if you have a plastic steering wheel or a mucked up steering wheel like we had to make it look better with a steering wheel cover. So I hope you learned something. I hope you hit subscribe, and hope to see you next time on Dave's Auto DIY.